Hi all, today we are dealing with the topic pointer arithmetic in C. This is a topic from programming in C. Let me introduce myself. I am Hridinya of guest lecturer, Department of Electronics Engineering, Government Women's Polytechnic College, Thrissur. These are the contents we are dealing with. What are pointers and different arithmetic operations using pointers. What are pointers? A pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable. For example, in the num equal to 5, suppose the address of num equal to 0x1230 in star pointer. That is pointer, star pointer is a pointer variable. Next, line pointer equal to ampersand num. That is pointer points to the location 0x1230 or the pointer points to num. What are the arithmetic operations using pointers? A pointer in C is an address which is a numeric value. So we can perform arithmetic operations on a pointer just as we are doing on a numeric value. There are 4 arithmetic operators that can be used on pointers. There are 4 arithmetic operators that can be used on pointers. They are increment operator, decrement operator, addition and subtraction operator. For example, integer num equal to 5, the address is 0x1230, then in star pointer, pointer is a variable, pointer equal to ampersand num, that pointer points to the location 0x1230 or point to num. Then we are incrementing the pointer plus plus, that is the location 0x1230 is incremented to the location 0x1234. It is incremented 4 because integer is 4 byte. And when we decrementing the pointer minus, pointer now points to 0x1230 from 0x1234. 4 byte is decremented here. Let's have a look on incrementing a pointer. The first line we are including the header file, main program, declaring an array of size 10 equal to 10, 120. Here int I as variable and pointer, and n equal to 3 the number of elements in an array, and pointer equal to ampersand array of 0, which means this pointer variable points this array, the location of this array. Declaring the loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Printf address of array of percentage d equal to percentage u comma I comma pointer, which means when I equal to 0, the value of I is 0, I less than n, that is 0 less than 3, the condition is true. Then printf array of 0, that array of 0, that is the location, since it is indicated percentage u, we get the location 1030. Then next line, printf the value of array of 0, that is the value in the 0th position is 10. We are getting the value as 10. Then pointer is incremented, that pointer incremented to the next location. Then for I equal to 1, I also incremented I equal to 1, I less than 3, the condition is true. Then array of 1, that location is printed. Then the value in that array of 1 is printed as 100. This is the first location, it is 100. Then pointer is incremented. Then now pointer points to the location of 200. I also incremented. I becomes 2. The condition 2 less than 3 is true. Then the address of array of 2 is 1038. And the value in that array of position 2 is 200. That 200 is also printed. Again the pointer is incremented. Then when I equal to, then I becomes 3. Then 3 less than 3, the condition is false. So the loop exit and output is printed. This is same as incrementing a pointer. Here we reverse the condition of the for loop. Here I equal to n, I greater than 0, I minus minus. When I equal to n, that is 3, I equal to 3, 3 is greater than 0. The address of array of percentage d, that is I minus 1, that is second position. In the second position it is 200. First the address is printed, in the next line the value is printed, then pointer is decremented. Then n become 2. 2 is greater than 0, I minus minus. In that address array of 1 is printed, that is 2 minus 1, it is 1, that is the first position, the value is 1000, it is printed. Again pointer is decremented, the value become 1, 1 greater than 0 is true. The address of array of 1 minus 1, that is 0th position. In the 0th position it is 10. First printing the address, and in second case we are printing the value. When this condition becomes false, then again pointer decremented, and also I also decremented, then I become 0. 0 greater than 0, the condition is false and the loop exits. This is the output of this program. This is another example of pointer increment operation. Here we are using a while loop instead of for loop, and we are putting the count equal to 0. And while count less than 5, 5 is the number of elements or the size of an array. Then we are printing array percentage d equal to percentage d count comma star pointer. In that initially count is 0. In this array of 0, 0th position the value is 10. That value is printed. Then pointer is incremented, count also incremented. Pointer increments to the location of 20. The count increments to 1. 1 less than 5, the condition is true, and that in the array of 1, the value is 20. The array always started with 0th location. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The positions are telling us 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then count is incremented. Then count become 2. 2 less than 5 is true, and the array of 2 in the second position, the value is 30. The loop continues till this condition becomes false. When count incremented to 5, 5 less than 5, the condition is false and the loop exits. In this way, we can write the program of decrement operation, so that we can use pointer minus minus and count minus minus, and reversing this condition, count less than 5 to count greater than 0. Then we can look at pointer addition and subtraction. In the addition, the output is same as the previous one, the pointer increment operation. Here the difference is the pointer always points to this first location, but the count is incremented and that value of count is added with that pointer, and we are getting the value in that location. That is, we are initializing count equal to 0 while count less than 5. First the value of count is 0. 0 less than 5, the condition is true. Array of percentage d equal to percentage d count comma star pointer plus count, then count is incremented, which means when count equal to 0, pointer plus count is equivalent to pointer plus 0, which points to array of 0, hence print the value 10. Then count is incremented. When count equal to 1, pointer plus count becomes pointer plus 1, which points to array of 1. That in that first location the value is 20. The same condition is 30, 40, and then when count equals to 4, pointer plus count, that is pointer plus 4, that is array of 4. In the fourth position the value is 50. 0th position, first position, second position, third position, and fourth position the value is 50. We can do subtraction same like that, reversing the while condition and using decrement operator. Instead of count increment, we are using count minus minus. Hope you understood what are pointer arithmetic in C. There are 4 different operations are handling in pointer arithmetic: increment operator, decrement operator, addition and subtraction. Thank you.